Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you a step-by-step process of how to add prepaid funds in the postpaid ad account on Facebook Ad Manager. So first of all, you go to facebook.com and on your left hand corner, you see the Ad Manager. Open to the Ad Manager. If you come to your left and you don't see the Ad Manager, you may see More. So you click on the See More. Now I am in the Ad Manager now. And so when you get to the Ad Manager, you may have several ad accounts. So if you have several ad accounts, you can click here and see the ad account you want. However, I am already in the ad account. I want to add the prepaid funds. So just come here and click on the billing and payment. So you click, open that in the new tab. Now when you get to the new tab, just like what I am seeing here, you go to the payment settings. From the payment settings, if you have added a payment method, it will be there already. And then if you have run some ads and you have some outstanding balance, you will see it showing here. And then you see add funds. So when you see add funds, you just click on the add funds. Then you select the amount you want to add and select the payment method you want to use. If you want to add a new payment method, you click on the new payment method and click on next. And then fill in the details of the card. Or if you are selecting the existing payment method, you select it, click next, confirm it, and then the funds will be added. And so when you add it, it will now, instead of they deducting direct from your bank account, they will deduct from the prepaid funds until that is finished. But remember, if the funds are finished, they will still try to charge from your payment method, the existing payment method. That is it. So that is exactly how you can add prepaid funds to your postpaid advertising account on Facebook. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell and like this video. See you in the next video, and bye.